I'll keep you safe, I'll give you my everything. Even if we're falling down, all of me is yours, every part of me.
Saya terima nikahnya dan kawinnya Nurul Fadilah binti Bapak Dede Nana Suhana dengan mas kawin tersebut dibayar tunai.